To even say na my ex is my standard, I kind of understand because meron din akong ex na parang set the standard na, wow, I can be treated this way coming from being a street fighter and dating all the, you know, parang dating negative. As in, yung dating history ko sobrang negative. Kung ipa-plot mo siya, nasa sobrang negative. So, diba, until I dated the guy na parang, wow, really like, set the
Possible
tone.
pala to.
Oo, na parang, wow, really treated me
Pwede
right,
naman
with
palang
respect.
healthy,
And, So, naintindihan ko yon and parang, syempre masakit mapakinggan as the boyfriend na hindi ikaw yung standard. Pero, hindi ba ibig sabihin nun na siya yung nag-set ng standard? Now, I'm dating
Ikaw yung
you
napili.
because you met that standard.
Maganda
Diba?
nga namang
Pwede rin namang
analogy.
ganon. Parang baka masyado na siyang in his feelings with the jealousy and the insecurities.
But isn't it such a male trait?
Yung ganong possessiveness?
Siguro, doesn't it play around respect? You know, parang I wanna go there too I wanna touch on this because in the animal kingdom, men will fight for their honor. Diba? Kahit anong hayop pa yan. Insekto,
I guess it
hayop,
true,
ibon, lahat. Diba? Meron
boils
talagang,
down to that respect
diba, na do you respect me enough to, I mean, I'm just thinking how men think. Tanong natin si Direk. Ikaw, Direk, okay ka ba doon? Kung yung partner, girlfriend mo, let's say, meron siyang ex in her life
long
na
term.
hindi talaga.
Friends
Nandun
sila,
lang.
close
Nagpapadala
friends.
ng flowers pag birthday.
Ayaw ni Direk.
Ang sabi ni Direk, I wouldn't trust myself to be friends with an ex na naging long-term relationship.
Gets.
I think it's because men know how men think.
Right.
But, okay, tama.
Okay.
Feeling ko may possibility na guy is lurking because he's gonna swoop in.
And take her back. Pwede rin, seriously.
Pwede rin ganun.